I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh my Lord. Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, go ahead.
Let me tell them a few things. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm gonna put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down. Call us about this Rangoon Red 65 Mustang or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also, 92% of you that come back and watch these are not subscribed, and it saddens me deeply. Please subscribe and then hit the bell, because then you get notified when we make cool videos like this. And also, if you want full photo sets of these cars, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can see it all there, but for now, Chris, tell us about this amazing Mustang.
Well, it is a Rangoon Red 1965 C-Code Mustang. It's got black interior, bucket seats. It's got C-Code, which means back in the day, it had 200 horsepower with 282 foot-pounds of torque. Yikes. Rangoon Red, always a great color. It is an automatic car, 289 V8, C-Code again. Let's get this door for you. Ooh, Jake, look inside the door. Oh.
I love this black interior.
I do too.
It's in fantastic condition too. GoPro and gimbal not included.
Not included.
But yeah, those seats look fantastic. And then you got, obviously, the back seats back here. Great condition. No tears, no cracks, no nothing in those.
Professionally restored, sir.
And red paint, black interior.
Best combination in the entire planet, in my estimation, but it is a beautiful car. It has been restored, like I said, professionally. A very, very beautiful car, done well. Can't wait to drive it, Jake. How about you?
Yeah, I know. I'm sure it's going to sound fantastic. Why don't you just hop in and start it?
Well, why don't I, by God?
I also love the wheels. There's like a little bit of gold in them as well.
Oh,
gold
wow.
and silver.
I never even noticed that. See, I got to notice things better.
I know, with the red, it looks awesome.
Oh, my hands. It's the arthritis.
Starts right up, huh?
Ah, it's a beauty.
Chris, can I ask a favor?
Shoot.
You want to pop out and open the hood for me?
Oh, why not?
So we can see this gorgeous engine while it's running?
We should see the C-Code 289. I was just reading the startup instructions.
Oh yeah, they still have the little paper on the visor for that. Let me see if I can get a gainer of that real quick. Zoom. There they are. It's a little dark, but you can see it.
Oh my gosh. That is one clean engine bay.
Yeah, it's nice, that's for sure.
Boy, that's worth showing everybody. It opened like a dream too. Ooh, beauty.
Very nice. All right, you ready to go for a little spin?
Love that. Let's do it.
I'm gonna try to take Greg with us.
Why don't we?
Move that out of the way. All right, here we are. Now normally, ladies and gentlemen, I would switch to the smaller gimbal because it's easier to maneuver inside of cars, but we're gonna do something different. We're gonna see if we can take the big one with us. This is the big honker, the big boy.
It's Greg.
It is Greg. We named him Greg.
Greg Gumbel's the bigger Grumble brother.
Yes, yes he is.
Brian's the little one. We all know this. People of a certain age do, by Jiminy.
Yeah. We also have this very nice, oh look, a horn.
Sorry.
That's all right.
I had to honk.
We have a very nice radio in here, some air controls right there. Then we have the automatic shifter, Down this way, nice and chrome. Very nice.
Little startup instruction action.
Yeah, cool gauges there on the dashboard.
Love them.
Also very cool, and yeah, we got the startup instruction paper up there on the visor. Very nice. Also, this dashboard, not cracked or anything anywhere. Very good condition, and we got a big old red hood out in front of us. Very nice. It sounds good too.
It does.
It's smooth, starts right up.
It's doing everything it should. I love it.
And we always do cold starts for you people, so that you guys know that even when these cars are not up to temp, they're still going to start. And it's not a warm day today.
No, it's not.
No, it's what, in the 50s right now? It's probably going to get a little bit warmer, but it's early morning. Chris and I have a busy day ahead of us, so we had to get out early.
We had to start early and continue on throughout the day.
Yes.
Jake's going to have a lot of work to do come Friday.
I know, yeah. I'm going to be a little busy. That's all right. We've had a lot of rain recently, so we haven't been able to drive a lot of cars.
Nope. And then I decided to go on vacation.
Yeah, that's why. So if you did see a few videos recently where it's just me driving around, not talking, or, you know, just starting a car, that's because Chris was on vacation, and we were getting a lot of cars in. I was getting a little behind, and we still got to get stuff out for you people, and also people just want to see stuff run so they know that they're confident in buying it. That's the whole reason for these.
It's the whole reason.
But we like to have a little fun.
We sure do.
Just like that.
Love the horn.
Also the steering wheel.
Perfect.
Big chrome. Awesome looking. Got the Mustang badge in the middle of it. We also have, as we saw, real back seats for real people.
Wow.
And you can actually fit full-sized adults back there, I think.
Yep.
There's a bit of leg room back there. A lot of muscle cars from like the 60s and early 70s. They had back seats, but they weren't really for people. Like,
not a lot of room.
Not a lot of room back there. These are actually really nice though. Plenty of room back there for people.
And they did a great job, whoever restored the car, because these seats are so comfortable.
Yeah, and this carpet is in fantastic condition.
Oh, yeah.
The headliner is in great condition. It's not torn or
headliner.
It's not drooping anywhere.
No droopy.
The sun visors aren't droopy, and you know how much I hate droopy visors.
Whoa, it's the worst thing ever. It makes them more sad than people not subscribing.
Keep falling down in front of your eyes. It's the most annoying thing ever. So I always like to point out when they're tight and they stay out of the way.
Like a Toyga.
Tight like a Toyga. We also have that big old gorgeous red hood up there.
The paint is wonderful on this car. It really, really is. It's a gorgeous car. Rangoon red. Man, oh man. It is a nice driver too. You feel it? It's just so smooth.
Yeah, when you think Mustang, at least for me, I think red with black interior.
Absolutely.
That's a Mustang. That's what a Mustang is, especially a 65.
Oh yeah. Favorite.
Not the first year.
No, but some could argue the best year. I like it a lot. I just like the way it looks in the coupe.
Definitely the most popular, I would say.
Oh, I'd say so too.
One of the most iconic, maybe not the most popular.
Very much.
The mid-60s was an incredible time for muscle cars. And pony cars.
And
technically, this is a pony car.
It is.
But, you know,
the pony.
Potato.
Oh, sure.
You had a big V8. That's a muscle car.
Darn right. This 289 is a very good engine, though. 200 horses, 282 foot-pounds of torque. We got rear gears in here that are friendly for the highway, which is important.
And that doesn't sound like a lot, but it's plenty for a car this small.
Oh, yeah.
And it's smooth, it's comfortable. And we're about at our stop sign where we can do a little bit of a bean test.
A wee bit of one.
A wee bit of one. Here we go, bean test. Oh, goodness.
Oh, she gets out of her own way.
It sounds good.
Oh, yeah, nice shifting action.
Good shifting action.
Oh, I love it. Oh, it's a beaut. It's a beaut.
Very nice.
Oh, man, oh, man. It's a nice one. Can't wait to hear the flybys.
Yeah. It sounds good from the outside, so I'm looking forward to it.
Well, then it should be fresh.
And because I have Big Gumble, and you've never used Big Gumble before?
I'm pretty excited about it.
Oh, do you want to use it? I was going to let you do the flyby part.
Oh, well, I'll do the flyby part if you want me to, but I sure do like the Big Gumble. I don't know how to do it, though, but...
It's easy. Pretty easy to master.
Oh, good.
It's just a little heavier than the old one.
I can hold it.
Yeah.
I want to try.
All right.
Because I do like the Big Gumble. I've never touched it because that's the expensive one.
Yeah, it's the expensive Gumble. It's Jake's very expensive Gumble.
They don't let me hold expensive things.
Yeah.
I get to drive expensive cars.
Yeah. But you take care of the cars very well.
I try because I'm afraid of them.
Ready for flybys?
Yep, let me roll your window down. Look how nice. Did you see how nice?
I know
the
they roll.
window moves so good.
The windows are cranky, by the way, but they're not mad at you. You just got to crank them. put them up and down, and they're smooth.
And solid.
And solid.
I love it.
And the Mustang windows always have that piece of chrome trim across the top, so they seal pretty well.
Darn right they do.
You darn right. All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'll have to hand you this outside the car.
Yes, you will. Here he comes. I gotta get better at that. The old Rangoon Red. Moving pretty darn good. Good one. Good run. Well, well, well.
How'd you do with Greg?
First try, second try, perfect.
Okay, good. Yeah, I know. It's a learning curve.
There is,
using
it
that
moves slower.
big old piece of equipment, but I mean, I think it looks good.
But the car looked great.
This thing, oh, I'm sure it did look great because this car is amazing. I mean, the paint is in great condition. This interior, I can't believe how good. I mean, they've obviously redone it.
Clearly.
But yeah, this looks incredible. It drives great. It stops good. I mean, all the gauges work. We didn't test the radio, but I'm sure it works. Yep, turned on. But I mean, yeah, this thing, automatic, it cruises, highway gears. You can go to shows, whatever you want, and you're gonna look good. And it's just everything kind of just functions, which is what you want in a classic car. And you got a nice horn.
Damn right.
You ready to go back?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.